Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. Press conference on military brutalities and atrocities in BAWKU on 15th, 16th, and 17th March 2022 by COSAC Youth Movement. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we have invited you here to the COSAC Traditional Council to express our deep concern about the security situations in BAWKU on the 15th, 16th, and 17th March 2022. First of all, we wish to express our gratitude to the security agencies in BAWKU for their tireless efforts in managing peace in BAWKU over the years and in recent times for this needless conflict in BAWKU. By extension, we thank the government and the President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, in particular, for his consent and commitment to maintaining peace in BAWKU. However, on the 16th March 2022, we were dismayed about the brutish and unprofessional behavior and conduct of the military detachments in BAWKU, who are there to maintain peace among the people due to the ethnic conflict. Unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, what happened yesterday in BAWKU cannot be described as peacekeeping efforts by any stretch of imagination, as the military besieged Guabula and Zogu, a suburb of BAWKU, inhabited mainly by Kusasis, and under the guise of maintaining peace, shot at unarmed men, women, and children, and livestock, and burned houses into ashes. We have never, for the history of the numerous ethnic conflicts in BAWKU, witnessed this gross, unprofessional conduct before, and therefore we have reasons to suspect that the conduct of the military yesterday has portrayed themselves as losing their impartiality for taking side against the Kusasis. Hence, their unprofessional conduct leaves much to be desired. Context of the military brutality. In 2008, women and children were